Hey guys, welcome to this iPhone guide, and here I'll detail how to make a GC on iMessage. So what is GC? GC means group chat. So if you want to make a group chat in iMessage, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if I don't know this, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Before you can create a GC on iMessage, you need to find out those of your friends that are using iPhone and have access to iMessage so that you can send a free message to all of them at once instead of using SMS or MMS. So first, go ahead and open iMessage and click on the edit button at top right. Once you selected that, then come here and click on plus. So once you select plus, want to select your friends that are using iMessage. So here, I'm going to select a list of people I have using iMessage. Select that. So here, if the person is using iMessage, you will see your previous messages with this first selected person. Then go ahead and click on the plus icon again. Add another person with iMessage. Then here, if this person is also using iMessage, you can see iMessage as well. You see that? Then you can just go ahead again, add another person by clicking on this plus icon. So since you want to make a GC in iMessage, so let's just go ahead and add another iMessage user. So let's add this. Then if this person is using SMS, you're going to see SMS. Then you can delete this and add another iMessage user. And once you're done, just come here and send your message. Then click on the send button. Now once you click on the send button, this is going to send as a group chat. You see that? Then you can just click on the group chat name. Then tap change name and photo. Then you can give this a name. That is going to name GC iMessage on your iPhone. Then change the photo by clicking on this photo icon, or use the camera icon and take or snap a new photo. Then once you're done, just go ahead and click on the done button, and that is it. So your group message will be created on your iPhone. So that is basically how to make a GC on iMessage. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.